Hi guys, this is Kristen with apokreations. I'm here with a different type of crafting project. I decided I wanted to learn how to start 3D printing. So I bought a relatively inexpensive 3D printer from Bambu Labs. I got the A1. And I've made a few things with it. They've all come out really good. I'm still in the midst of learning how to actually create these projects, but this is a sped up version of, I think it's like in 10x speed, of how fast it can print. And what I'm doing right here is I'm actually just making something for my craft room to make my organization of my supplies a little bit easier. And I found this. It is a pigment bottle, pigment or alcohol ink bottle holder, and it holds, I think, let's see, 7 times 28 maybe. So, you know, even if you get them you know, in a box, there's still going to be plenty of room. And I've made 4 of these. This is my 4th one. So it's, you know, some of them take longer than others, but some of them are really cool. And I think this took like 2.5 hours, 3 hours for me to make. But I am going to just keep fast forwarding you through the process, and I'll play some music for you in the background.
Plastic dreams take shape tonight. Blueprint magic under neon light. Layer by layer we redefine. Art and tech in us combine. Print the future, what you see. Pixel dreams in 3D. From molten love to reality. Crafted by hands that dare be free. No rules, just build and play. Design the world in a different way. A touch of genius, a dash of wild. In this realm, we're all a child. No more limits, no more bounds. In this space, creation abounds. With each click, a new dawn breaks. New worlds birth with every take. Print the future, what you see. Pixel dreams in 3D. From molten love to reality. Crafted by hands that dare be free. Plastic roads we'll travel through. New terrains to behold anew. With every filament we craft a dream. Endless patterns, infinite scheme. Print the future, what you see pixel dreams in 3D. From molten love to reality, crafted by hands that dare be free.
All right, so I didn't figure you needed to sit through too much more of this. This is coming up as pictures of the end product. Hope you like this video and my new creation. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you for the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.